Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro rise 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street stocks and oil prices were muted as investors digested Chinese data that heightened worries of an economic slowdown and looked ahead to a key US inflation report. Bitcoin held steady early this week as producer price index data from China suggested the global liquidity tightening cycle that kicked off early last year and roiled risk assets, including cryptocurrencies, is nearing its end. Apple's CEO and a top corporate lawyer at the company are fighting an effort that could require them to answer questions in a private securities class action against chip maker Qualcomm. Apple, which is Qualcomm's biggest customer, did not immediately respond to a request for comment.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0600 hours GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's machinery orders will be released at 2350 GMT. The UK's claimant count change at 0600 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.